We have the single entry. Single entry if this one is with hotel, with package. Mas mura po siya kaysa standalone. So, ang standalone is 5,720 per adult. And kapag po child below 18 years old is 1,450. So, yung requirement lang po pag child, the child has to be traveling with either mother or parent. And has to be 18 years below to qualify for the visa rate na 1,450. So, we have 8,800 for the 60-day single entry. For the multiple entry, 30 days, we have 8,800 and 4,200 for the child. And for the 60 days multiple entry, we have 13,600 po for adult and 6,800 for the child below 18 years old. What are the requirements? The requirements are passport copy has to be valid 6 months, colored pass photograph 2x2, return flight tickets, and hotel booking confirmation. Yun lang po. The processing time is usually from 1 to 3 days. Mabilis. Sobrang bilis lang namin. Unless it's during the peak time, during Christmas, New Year, medyo mabagal lang po ang process during the time because of the volume of the visas. Yeah, that's e-visa po. We will just send you the e-visa copy. Any questions about the visas? Absconding? Anything about that? Is it clear? Yes po.
Ngayon ka lang. Honestly, yeah, because the transit visa when you purchase through Emirates, that's 9K.
Oh, that's 9K.
So, agents, pag naamoy Emirates,
9,000? Oh my God, that's more expensive than the normal 30 days?
Huwag mo lang mataasan.
Ay, but that's the B2B naman. That's the B2B rates.
So,
We have different B2C rate and the B2B rates.
i-quote niyo yung 9,000 and then bigay niyo sa kanya yung...
Yung, yes,
Okay,
the rates. Yes. Yes po, Miss Greta.
Yung hotel booking ba sa inyo magagaling?
Kung saan niyo po binook, not necessarily sa amin. Not necessarily sa amin. Yes. Because if they have their own arrangement, then definitely that will be coming from them, yung hotel booking. So, if it's standalone, if it's the 30 days na sa amin na-book yung package, then you don't need to provide hotel booking because that's from us. Yes. But, for example, 48 or 96 hours na visa only, or the 30 days visa only, they book by themselves, then they have to provide you the hotel booking confirmation and you have to provide that one to us. Yes, ma'am?
When you say sa transit all Emirates ba yung flight? Or for example, pwede pa ang Manila to
Yes, now we are catering other airline. But take note that these 48 and 96 hours are purely for really transit. Because they will check the ticket if they are really transiting only in Dubai. If Dubai is your final destination, that will be rejected. It has to show in the ticket that Dubai is only transiting and then there is another destination after Dubai to qualify for the transit visa.
So is it okay PAL ang Manila, Dubai, then Dubai, Emirates to another country?
No.
Or no?
No, it has to be one airline connecting.
Okay.
Yes, either Emirates or other airline, but it has to be one airline.
Just to add,
Yes po.
Hannah, in case it's PAL operated but ticket is Emirates, it's okay.
Okay. PAL operated.
PAL operated siya pero
Share,
EK,
share.
yeah. Pero
Ticket
EK ang
Emirates.
ticket, no problem.
Isa lang yung
Yeah.
It has, yes, isang ticket, yes.
Kung one ticketing siya, kaya sometimes PAL is sharing with Emirates and vice versa. So if the ticket is EK, you can get transit.
Yes po.
Thank you.
Question, anything else before we proceed for the...
Magkapatid kayo.
Umrah package, you can see. This is for those Muslim clients. It has a specific date as well, but we do have other dates which we can share later on, and you can send us if you have inquiry for the Umrah. I can direct it to our team who handles the Umrah. Yes po? Yes po. Yes po. For? Yes, that's for 5 nights. Including transfer, meals, even I think the inter-hotel transfer is already included in this package.